How would you like to amaze your friends and family with powerful card magic that is extremely easy to do? It looks like just an ordinary pack of cards, all here, all different, well mixed. You can have anyone call out stop at any point. We'll say, for example, the Queen of Spades. It's not on the top, that's the Ten of Hearts, but if you snap your fingers, the Ten of Hearts will change into the selection. I'll give it several shuffles, a little mix like this. You can give the deck to a spectator, and the spectator can cut the cards into several face-down piles. You can show that it's not here, it's not here. The one pile that they selected is the one pile with the chosen card on top, and it works every single time. One of my personal favorites is to shuffle the cards like this and spread them face down on the table, and a spectator can touch the back of any one of the cards. Just to show you, they didn't touch this card, they didn't touch this card. The one card that they did touch out of all the pack is the one card that was selected, the Queen of Spades. My favorite mystery, though, is to put that on the bottom of the deck, snap the fingers, and every single card in the deck changes into the selection. Now, I have searched the world to bring you the very best kept secrets and most professional methods and techniques using the Svengali deck. This DVD is a one-on-one, step-by-step coaching system that is guaranteed to make you the center of attention. Over 60 different tricks and techniques are fully explained on this 60-minute DVD. So, if you've ever wanted to do incredible card magic, grab your Svengali deck and let me guide you with this DVD down the essential road to performing miracles.